Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create glitter transition effect in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go transition menu. Then you can see here are many transition effect. Click this transition effect drop down menu and find your glitter transition effect. You can see here are glitter transition effect. Click it. Now you can see we create glitter transition effect in PowerPoint. We can also use sound effect on this transition effect. Click this sound effect drop down menu and choose any sound effect. You can also increase or decrease glitter transition effect duration time. Now we can decrease this time, and we can also apply to all this slide to this transition effect. Click apply to all. Now we can check how it work. Click this start from a beginning icon. Now you can see we create glitter transition effect in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.